Good morning, kids. Today we'll learn about our daily row. Time, what we do from morning to night. Let's have fun together.
Morning routine. First, we wake up. Can you stretch like this?
Wake up, time to shine, the sun is up. Let's make the bed. A tidy bed makes a happy day. Then, we wash our face. Wash your face, make it clean.
Now, let's brush our teeth. Time to get dressed. What do you like to wear? Breakfast time.
Mom, time for breakfast.
Let's eat healthy to have energy for the day. What's your favorite food in the morning? Let's go to the school. School or playtime? Now, it's time to learn. What do you like to study? After that, we can play. What's your favorite game? After school, we wash our hands. Let's have a snack.
Yummy!
What snacks do you prefer? Fruits or cookies? Evening routine. Time for a bath. Now, let's put on pajamas. Bedtime routine. Before bed, we read a story.
Benny the bear cub didn't want to sleep. Just 5 more minutes, he said, hugging his favorite pillow. But as soon as he closed his eyes, whoosh! His pillow turned into a fluffy cloud. It lifted him high into the sky, floating past twinkling stars and the glowing moon. Wow! This is amazing! Benny giggled, but soon his eyes got heavy. Maybe I'll rest, just for a bit. He yawned. The cloud gently carried him back to bed. As he snuggled in, the pillow whispered, "Sweet dreams, Benny." And off he went, into a night full of adventures. Good night, little dreamers. Sleep tight.
What's your favorite bedtime story? Good night, kids. Sleep well and see you next time. You did great today. Now you know your daily routine. Don't forget to brush your teeth and sleep well. See you in the next video.